we are going to make 5 minutes craft. How to make tissue mask. Now I am going to tell you how to make tissue mask. Because sometimes when we go to shop, the shopkeeper says that mask is not available in the shop. So to protect ourselves from coronavirus, we will make tissue mask at home. Now we are going to start. We will take 3 things: one stapler, 2 rubber bands and 1 tissue paper, thick tissue paper and stretchable rubber band, so it will not pain your ears. Big in size. Now we are going to make. First, do it like this. Fold it here like this. Fold it again and again. Fold like this, fold like this, fold like this. See, we are making good tissue mask. Now press it firmly. See, we are folding it till this size. See, press it from here also. Now take 1 rubber band, put it here inside it. Now do like this and take it in the center, stapler, and now put 2-3 stapler so it will not take out. From this same thing from here also, do like this. Put 1 rubber band here also. Put it here. Here also same thing, staple from in the middle. See? 2, 3. Put 2, 3. I think it will open. No, it is fixed. Now from here put it, and from here put the rubber band. See, we have made our mask properly and in perfect size. So to protect from coronavirus, we can make this mask at home. Please utilize your time with making tissue mask. Thank you.